Welcome to today's episode of the Be Sure podcast. Living with epilepsy involves challenges beyond seizures, including stigma and emotional impact. However, with the right treatment and adjustments, many people with epilepsy can lead active lives. To help us better understand this, we are fortunate to have a renowned consultant neurologist with extensive experience in treating epilepsy. Welcome, Doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Virat Harsh. I'm a neurosurgeon practicing at Axon Healthcare and Devnika Hospital, Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a seizure and how does it affect the brain?
Seizure is basically abnormal electrical activity. Patients को हम लोग समझाते हैं कि ब्रेन के तरंगों का वेव्स का एबनॉर्मल होना उससे एपिलेप्सी होता है उससे सॉरी सीजर होता है और जनरली द ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स द होल बॉडी थ्रू tiny electrical impulses and any abnormality in these impulses causes seizures. When a patient gets seizures, it also damages the brain because it reduces the oxygen supply to the brain.
What is epilepsy?
So epilepsy is when a doctor will diagnose a patient as having epilepsy when the patient gets two seizure activities which are unprovoked, as in from fever or any other illness, from head injury, etc. Then the patient is known to have epilepsy. It might manifest in various forms, different types of epilepsies, with or without movement, or with or without awareness, etc., or movement of just one part of the body, or no movement at all. But yeah, that is what is epilepsy.
What are the different types of seizures and do they affect people differently?
Yes, seizures have been classified on the basis of their onset, their awareness, whether only one part of the body or the whole body is affected, one part of the brain or the whole brain is affected, whether there is movements in the body, etc. It can manifest as movement of, like I said, movement of just one part of the body or one side of the body, just facial movements, as the patient being confused, or there might not be any movement, there might just be some staring looks. There are various kinds of manifestations of epilepsies and seizures. One needs
Okay.
to visit a doctor to identify what kind of seizure the patient is having.
I see. Now, can you explain what causes epilepsy? Is there always a known cause?
Many a times there is no known cause of epilepsy. Sometimes, in more than 50% of the patients, the epilepsy is without any known cause. It is just abnormal electrical activity in the brain. Sometimes there might be a known cause, like having a stroke or head injury or abnormal infection in the brain from fever, etc. There might be different causes, but many a times we don't get any cause at all. हम लोग हिंदी में समझाते हैं कि ब्रेन की किसी पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन में एबनॉर्मल ब्लीडिंग होना, मतलब ब्लीडिंग होना या खून की नस का सूख जाना जिससे स्ट्रोक होता है, सर में चोट लगना, ब्रेन का बनावटी प्रॉब्लम होना या जेनेटिक्स में प्रॉब्लम होना, उससे एपिलेप्सी हो सकती है.
Well, that's really helpful to understand. Well, what are some of the signs or symptoms of epilepsy that caregivers should look out for?
One should look out for anywhere between just staring looks, the patient being confused, the patient having one part of the body, movements of one part of the body, maybe just the face or one limb or one side of the body, or movement of whole body, loss of consciousness. Sometimes there are atypical epilepsies where there is no loss of consciousness as such, and the patient might behave like a psychiatric patient. That may also be one of the manifestations or symptoms of epilepsy. The caregiver must understand कि क्या करना है उस समय. जनरली हम लोग बोलते हैं कि अगर किसी पेशेंट को सीजर आए तो उसको पकड़ के रोकने की कोशिश करना, सीजर रोकने की कोशिश करना, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. उससे पेशेंट को और ज्यादा चोट लग सकती है. हाँ, ये जरूर करें कि अगर पेशेंट के आसपास कोई खतरे वाली चीज हो, कोई शार्प चीज हो, आग के पास, पानी, वाटर बॉडी, स्विमिंग पूल एक्सेट्रा के पास हो तो उससे अलग कर देना चाहिए। कई एक बार पेशेंट को टंग बाइट हो जाता है बिकॉज दांत का क्लेंचिंग हो जाता है
Right.
सीजर के दौरान, तो उस समय हम एडवाइस करते हैं कि एक चम्मच टंग और अपर टीथ के बीच में रखना चाहिए सो दैट टंग बाइट नहीं हो। इन चीजों से इन चीजों के बारे में केयर गिवर को अवेयर रहना चाहिए। Also, the home can be modified in way so that if epilepsy patient is staying in that house, it might be easier for him to manage things like using a microwave instead of a stove and having a thin carpet in the house कि अगर गिरे तो सर में चोट ना लगे etc. Things like these. जब बच्चे
Okay.
होते हैं जिनको एपिलेप्सी हो रही होती है तो हम बोलते हैं कि वो केयरफुल रहे कि बच्चों को रोड क्रॉस करते समय हाथ पकड़कर चलाएं या ड्राइविंग के लिए मना करते हैं अगर एक्टिव एपिलेप्सी रहता है पेशेंट्स को। इवन वी से दैट if the epilepsies are getting difficult to control या frequent seizures आ रहे हैं despite medication, then the patient should avoid locking the bathroom or washroom from inside when they are going for toilet.
Now let's talk about something that many people with epilepsy face: stigma. Can you tell us why epilepsy is often misunderstood?
Yes, for a long time there was no clear understanding of the cause of epilepsy. In the earlier days, it was also thought that it could transfer from one patient to another. So there has been a lot of discrimination with epilepsy patients, getting them jobs, unwillingness in marrying epilepsy patients. Sometimes parents don't allow their children to play with other children who have epilepsy. These are common misconceptions that epilepsy can happen from one person to the other, and इसके वजह से patients को बहुत ज़्यादा discrimination face करना पड़ता है. We even had a patient who was an epilepsy patient and seizures were not getting controlled. कुछ जड़ी बूटी से इलाज चल रहा था और पेशेंट को के ऊपर माता आती है ऐसा बोल के पेशेंट को गांव से निकाल दिया गया, पूरी फैमिली को गांव से निकाल दिया गया. This was a sad case.
Absolutely. Now let's move on to managing epilepsy. What are the common triggers for seizures that patients and caregivers should be aware of?
Okay, triggers. So mostly these triggers are from stress, जैसे कि टाइमली नहीं सोना, नींद पूरी नहीं होना, टाइम पे खाना नहीं खाना, दवा का डोज मिस हो जाना, फीवर होना. एपिलेप्सी के पेशेंट्स को फीवर होने से threshold of epilepsy gets lower and there is a chance that the epilepsy will shoot up. There might be flashing lights or some other specific triggers for specific patients. For women, getting epilepsy during periods is also common.
Thank you so much, Doctor. This has been incredibly informative and helpful. We hope today's discussion helps listeners better understand epilepsy and how to support themselves or their loved ones, of course. Any final thoughts?
Yes, epilepsy is curable. It is treatable with modern medicine. Please avoid getting any home remedies for epilepsy. आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा जड़ी बूटियाँ या अन्य मेडिसिन्स का यूज़ बताया जाता है कि एपिलेप्सी क्योर हो जाता है, लेकिन मॉडर्न मेडिसिन में एलोपैथी में इसका अच्छा इलाज है. Please consult an allopathic doctor nearby and get cured from epilepsy. Together, we can make control of epilepsy easier in these patients and make their life better.
Thank you, Doctor. And thank you to our listeners. Until next time, take care and stay informed.